Saturday bouncing around, but he's back on track now. He's back up in there. See if anyone can improve their position.
Checking in with our live chat on YouTube, Madraw says, when are the finals going to be on Sunday? And we're going to be doing it at the same time, should be around 9 a.m. for the sport class, 9 a.m. Eastern time, that is.
Here comes Yeti, first lap.
Oh wow, and the timer worked for him.
Yep.
That's huge.
Qube with 39. I didn't even see you so fast.
So for any of you guys that are just passing through the museum here, I would direct your eyes to that large video screen right above you there. And those are live feeds from our competitors flying with us in the micro drone race at the National Museum of the United States Air Force, 6th edition.
Maturity is 71.74.